Welcome everyone. Get ready to embark on a heartwarming journey to a peaceful village, a place bursting with lush green fields and the harmonious sounds of nature. It truly feels like a slice of paradise. Picture this village filled with names that aren't just random, they're family. Meet three brothers, Ramu, Shiva, and Kumar, and their two sisters, Shri and Meera. Together, they embody a simple yet fulfilling life, grounded in hard work and a rock-solid sense of community.
Oh wow, that sounds amazing. So it's like, everyone is working together, huh? Sigh, that must create such a strong bond. But, what do they actually do in their daily lives? I mean, are there any, interesting roles or tasks they take on?
Absolutely. Every morning, as the sun rises, the village springs into action. Women fetch water, a beautiful morning ritual, and children trot off to school, bursting with excitement. And the farmers? Oh, they reserve the best part of their day for working the fields. For instance, Ramu doesn't just work hard, he infuses his own flair into farming. He skillfully combines time-honored methods with modern techniques, like using organic manure. This isn't only about the shine of the vegetables, but nurturing the soil to ensure a bounty for everyone.
Oh, that's so smart. So, using organic stuff instead of chemicals? Laughs. It reminds me of my own garden. I tried to grow tomatoes once, and they ended up being, these weird mutant things. But how did Ramu actually convince other farmers to follow along? I mean, change is hard, right?
Right. Change can definitely be daunting. But what propelled Ramu's dedication and demonstrated success was hard to ignore for the other farmers. Once they witnessed Ramu's harvest flooding in, curiosity quickly evolved into eagerness. It's kind of like when you taste a dish made by someone and think, I need that recipe. Suddenly, Ramu became a beacon of innovation in the village.
Haha, I love that analogy. So while Ramu is out there, revolutionizing farming, what about Shiva? Didn't you mention he had a special connection with animals? It sounds like he has a whole other talent.
Exactly. Shiva treats the village's livestock like they're his buddies. He doesn't just look after them, he forges trusting bonds. He's the go-to person for anything animal-related, healing sick animals with his innate understanding and compassion. Think about it. If you're feeling under the weather, don't you want someone who feels like family looking after you?
Oh man, that's beautiful. Sigh. It must be so comforting for the villagers to know they have someone like that around. But what about Kumar? You mentioned he focuses on education. Is he like the village superhero or something?
Haha, yes. That title could definitely fit him. Kumar takes education very seriously. He teaches the village children about modern practices while instilling strong moral values. It's not merely book knowledge. He's preparing them to be responsible members of society. Picture him saying, "Knowledge is power." That's Kumar channeling his inner superhero.
Wow, I can totally picture him in a cape now. What about the sisters? What do they bring to the mix?
Ah, yes. Shri and Meera are truly the heart of the household. They whip up delicious meals and nurture the plants. It's like they sprinkle creativity into every dish. The coolest part? They share their culinary skills with other village women, creating a tight-knit community where learning is mutual. It's like those cooking shows that inspire us to try something new in the kitchen.
Oh, that community vibe is so uplifting. But what happens when things go wrong? You mentioned a crisis. What happened, and how did they manage to handle it together?
Great question. A crisis unfolded when a disease threatened the crops. Talk about a nightmare, right? But instead of allowing this to split them apart, this family banded together and formed their own superhero team. Ramu innovated on soil improvement. Shiva tended to the animals. Kumar introduced cutting-edge techniques, and Shri and Meera planted protective herbs. This is an outstanding example of collaboration.
Okay, hold on. So it was like their very own version of the Avengers, but farming style? I can just see them in capes fighting off the evil crop disease.
Haha, exactly. Through unity, hard work, and a sprinkle of creativity, they triumphed. They revived prosperity in their village. This story beautifully illustrates how collaboration can help individuals tackle challenges. It's about harnessing the power people unleash when they unite.
Wow, you're really inspiring me. I mean, what a powerful message about community, resilience, and working together. Makes me want to do more for my own neighborhood.